ಹರನ ಸುಕುಮಾರ ಸಕಲ ಅಗಮಗೆ ಸಾಕಾರ ಧರೆಯುಳು ವಿಶೇಷಮದ ಊರ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ ದೇವ ಜಗದೀಶ ಮುದದಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ವರ್ಣಿಬಲಿ ಕಥಾಮೃತವ ಮನೆಯ ಸೇರಿದರು ಚೌದದಿಯುಗ
Salvations to our God, Ranganatha. world, nobody knows the course of fate. Where should have been, where we should have been, and where we are today.
Yes.
By adorning the throne of Ayodhya, I should have ruled the kingdom. But today, we are all in the forest. So, course of fate in this world, nobody can understand. Whether he belongs to the royal family or an ordinary person,
True, my lord.
it remains the same. To fulfill the promise made by my father Dasharatha to mother Kaikeyi, I had to walk to this forest. Of course, being an elder son, it was duty for me. But when I started from the palace, you also followed me.
Yes, my lord.
And as my shadow, you also came behind. Yes, brother. The love and affection showed by you both, I cannot express in the words. It is something remarkable. Lakshmana, Sita,
My lord.
it has been 13 years in this forest. After crossing the river Ganga, till this banks of river Godavari, we have witnessed so many changes,
Yes.
witnessed so many situations, and had lots of new experiences, and also lots of blessings from sages. Now, in this banks of river Godavari, this place is called Panchavati, belonging to the place Dandakaranya or Janasthana. We have built two hermitages.
Yes.
You have built two hermitages, one for you, another for me and Sita. But just recall what all happened from the river banks of river Ganga till here. Brother Bharata came to the forest when we were in Chitrakuta to take me back to the palace Ayodhya.
Yes.
But he got pacified my words and advice, and when he was ready to go back, he took away my paduka or my footwears to adorn the kingdom. That is a big lesson for the whole world. How valuable his sacrifice is.
Yes.
Today, Bharata has become famous for his sacrifices. Not just that. From there till here, we have got blessings from so many great sages.
Yes.
Sage Atri, Agastya, Sharabhanga, Sudarshana, Valmiki. So many sages have blessed us in different ways. Not just that. Anasuya, the wife of Atri, she has blessed you, Sita,
Yes, my
with special clothes and special ornaments. These are all special collections and special experiences for us. And after settling down in this Panchavati, just a few days ago, you all know what happened. Demon Ran, Shurpanaki
Yes.
tried to attack us, but we punished her in a right way. But to take revenge on that, her brothers, Khara, Dushana, Trishira, all came here and tried to attack us. But my Kodanda was successful in killing all those 14,000 demons within a fraction of time. I should be grateful to sage Vishwamitra for blessing me with alive arrows. And now we are quite peaceful in this hermitages.
Yes, my lord.
But Lakshmana, dear Sita,
My lord.
I am of the strong feeling that the coming days will not be quite peaceful.
True.
Definitely those demons will try to attack us and kill us. So we got to be careful in the coming days. Just one more year is left to go back to Ayodhya. By offering prayer to Lord Ranganatha, hope the next 1 year will be quite peaceful. With these words, let us retire and take rest in our hermitage.
ತಡೆಯಲಾರದೆ ತೀರದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸತಿಯಳ ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಯನ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಕುಲವೇ.
I must take revenge. But how? Yes, I should twist the matter and report brother Ravaneshwara. Let me proceed to the court hall of Ravaneshwara then.
loved me and raised me with utmost care. However, my father was indifferent in the matter of rearing the children. I propitiated Lord Brahmadeva and obtained many boons. After that, I conquered the throne of this Lankapura, which was there in the possession of my brother Kubera. Later, I propitiated Lord Shankara and obtained the title Ravaneshwara. After that, I went in conquering of many kingdoms. Swarga, Bhartya, Patala. All the three worlds are under my possession. Now, everyone knows the king ruling the Lanka. I am blessed to have a wife named Mandodari and also an energetic, brave, strong son Indrajitu. Recently, I remember an incident where I had given my sister Shurpanaka in marriage to Vidyutyuha, the king of Patalas. But what to do? Seeing him getting stronger, I waved a conspiracy and he was killed in the battlefield. I solaced my sister Shurpanaka and sent her to Janasthana under the leadership of Khara, Dushana and Trishira. I have named 14,000 veteran Rakshasas to guard her. She is set free to roam around the forest. Now, who comes there?
ವೇದನೆಯ ಸಹಿಸಲಾರದೆ
What has happened to you?
ಕೇಳಣ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನೋಳಿ ಮಾನವಗದ ಪರಿಯ ಕೇಳಣ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನೋಳು ಈ ಮಾನವಗದ ಪರಿಯ ಕೆಳದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲು ಕರೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬೆಳಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲು ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಳಿರುವೆಯೌತ ಕಟ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿದ ಪಹಾಸ್ಯ ಬಾಳಿರುವೆಯೌತ ಕಟ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿದು ಅಪಹಾಸ್ಯ ಊಳಿಗವನೊರವೆ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೇಳು ಕೇಳಣ್ಣ
Brother, Shurpanaka,
You see me?
you
Brother,
What?
you know that I am the beautiful lady in the world.
That is the truth.
She is more beautiful than me.
What? More beautiful than you.
Yes.
Ah.
Then I thought,
Mm.
her place is not in forest,
Mm.
but in here, in the
Ah.
grand palace,
Ah.
as your wife.
Mm.
So I tried to take off her to Lanka.
Ah.
But in that time,
Mm.
suddenly that idiot Lakshmana sprang and disfigured by cutting my ears and nose, my brother.
Lakshmana.
Huh.
Ah.
See,
Mm.
now I am suffering for your sake.
What? Are you saying that Sita is so beautiful?
Yes, my brother.
Is it the truth, my dear sister?
Yes, brother.
ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಆ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಕಾಂತೆ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಕಾಂತೆ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಂತೆ ಜನಳು ಮಂಡೋದರಿಗಿದ್ದ ಸೊಬಗೇನೆ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿ ಅಂಥ ಗೆಲುವೆಯೇನೇ ಆ ಆ
Brother.
Don't wipe, don't wipe.
Huh.
I will take the revenge.
Oh.
But
Huh.
tell me the truth.
Yes.
Is Sita so beautiful?
Yes.
So beautiful than my wife Mandodari?
Yes.
Are you saying the truth?
Brother,
Ah.
Mandodari is like a dim star
Hmm.
before a shining moon.
Ah.
All your achievements are waste if you are not marry a Sita.
Oh, oh.
Huh.
As you say.
Huh.
Now,
Huh.
I will marry that Sita.
Huh.
I will bring her to Lanka.
Hmm.
But one thing,
What?
I can't see you like this.
Huh.
You are cruel.
Very painful, my brother.
You are very cruel. You are very cruelly mutilated.
Oh.
So,
Huh.
get inside.
Huh.
Go to our royal panditas.
Hmm.
Take proper treatment.
Huh.
Go, go, go.
All right, brother. Brother,
Ah,
Royal Pandit will repair my nose and ears, right?
our pandits are expert. You need not worry.
All right, all right.
Go.
Brother,
Ah,
you take revenge.
you go and contact the surgeon.
You bring Sita.
Ah, I will. What Shurpanaka has told.
ತಂಗಿಯ ಸವಿನುಡಿಯುವುದು
What my sister has told.
ತಂಗಿಯ ಸವಿನುಡಿಯುವುದು ಕವಿ ನುಡಿಯವು ಕೇಳ್ದು ಆ
Shurpanakha has aroused the amorous desire in me. I should bring that Sita to my bedchamber. But what shall I do? How shall I go? Before that, I need the approval of my beloved wife Mandodari. Therefore, I shall change my attire accordingly and proceed towards Mandodari's chamber.
ಅಂಗಜನ ಶರತಾಗಿ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ಮಂಡೋದರಿಗೆ ಜಾನಕಿ ದೇವಿಯ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳಗಾಗುತ್ತ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳಗಾಗುತ್ತ ಮಂಡೋದರಿಗೆ ಮಡದಿ ಮಂಡೋದರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಗತಿಯ ಅರುಗಲ್ಕೆ
Mandodari,
Do you know how happy I am? And your presence in my chamber. Please be seated.
I have not come here to sit Mandodari.
Then,
I have a very strange news.
strange.
Of course.
Which one?
I hope you are not taking rest. Can I tell you?
Yes.
Listen, Mandodari.
Please, my lord.
ಜನಗಣದನಿಯತೆ ಸೀತೆ ಎಂಬವಳದೆ ಆ
three youths, children of King Dasharatha of Ayodhya, have come to Dandakaranya and encroached our Panchavati. When Sister Shurpanakha objected their entry into our land, they punished her
Is it?
by mutilating her nose and ears. It is an intolerable insult to this indomitable Emperor Ravana,
Then
which should be properly avenged.
how?
Do you know how I'm going to retaliate?
How, my dear?
Rama has a beautiful wife by name Sita, daughter of King Janaka of Mithilanagari.
All right.
Since our woman is insulted, I will also insult him by abducting his woman.
Paying his own coin.
I mean, tit for tat. I mean, I'm going to bring his wife Sita and make her my wife. All rare jewels in the world should be mine. You know very well.
Yes.
Hence,
Uh,
jewel. Oh, beautiful girls. This Sita also should be mine.
therefore,
Now tell me, Mandodari, if I bring her here,
here,
how you both will live together harmoniously? Will you accommodate her?
my dear, I am your dutiful wife, and you are my soul of life.
That means you will permit me to
No,
bring.
no. The decision of bringing Sita is ethically wrong. My lord,
Why?
listen to my words.
Tell me.
ತರವಲ್ಲ
Not all right.
ಕಾತ
No.
ತರವಲ್ಲ
My lord, this is not proper.
ತರವಲ್ಲ ಕಾತ ತರವಲ್ಲ ತರವಲ್ಲ ಆ
achieving glory in 14 words.
No doubt.
Now you are at the peak of the glory.
I'm the world conqueror now.
Yes, I am happy with that. I'm proud about you.
One should be being wife.
But, my Lord,
Tell me.
now,
Ah,
this glory will destroy
ah,
by bringing Sita.
ah.
She is a married woman,
What of that many married women I have brought in?
is it not? Your glory will destroy within no time if you bring that Sita to this Lanka, and the golden city of Lanka and the content Rakshasas will be destroyed by that Rama. Therefore, don't bring that chaste woman to this Lanka.
Baseless conclusion, Mandodari. Why do you
No,
think so?
it is wasteful only.
There should be some reason to think on that way. What reason you
Do
have?
you know who Rama is?
After all,
Who Sita is?
just
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
That
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
it should be in Vaikuntha.
Vaikuntha.
ಆರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನ
That Ramachandra
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ
that Ramachandra
ಚಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಎಂಬಾತನೇ
his brother
ಚಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಎಂಬಾತನೇ ಉರಗೀದ್ರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಎಂಬಾತನೇ ಉರಗೀದ್ರ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಚಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನೆಂಬಾತನೇ ಉರಗೇಂದ್ರ ನರಿ ಜಾನಕಿ ಎಂಬಳಾಗಿ ನರಿ ಜಾನಕಿ ಎಂಬಳಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವಿ ಜಾನಕಿ ಎಂಬಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವಿ ಧಾರಿಣಿಯೊಳ್ ಅವತರಿಸಿದರು ಧಾರಿಣಿಯೊಳು ಅವತರಿಸಿದರು ಈ ಬಾರಿಯೇ ನಾದಿ ಜಾನಕಿ ಎಂಬಳಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವಿ ಧರಿಣಿಯೊಳ್ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಎಂಬಾತನಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಚಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನೆಂಬಾತನಿ ಉರಗೀದ್ರ ತರವಲ್ಲ ತರವಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂತ ತರವಲ್ಲ ತರವಲ್ಲವಿ ಅಸಂಗತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ತರವಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂತ
My Lord,
Mandodari.
I am talking with knowledge, not without knowledge.
What is the great knowledge you have?
Do you know
Ah,
who is Rama and who is Sita?
simple, a common man
No.
wandering in the forest.
No. they may wander in the forest, but the reason behind it is different.
What is it? As you know.
By the complaint of Suras, the Lord of Vaikuntha Narayana Swami, he himself incarnated as Ramachandra to destroy the Rakshasa fraternity. And Sita, none other than Lakshmi, and that his brother Lakshmana is Mahashesha, incarnated as Mahashesha.
His bed.
Yes, his bed at Vaikuntha.
All the three know they have found it.
If you confront them, I bet, I dread the future, it is our end. And our Rakshasa fraternity will be destroyed by Rama and his family.
What a senseless thought you
No, sir.
have.
No, my dear.
Being my wife, you are speaking like this.
I fall at your feet.
No.
And I pray, for heaven's sake, don't bring Sita Devi. Don't bring
For
Sita.
God's sake, you don't speak such words. You. From the wife of a world conqueror, Ravana. You should not speak like this. Mandodari,
My lord,
come here. Can a deer kill a lion?
sometimes may, by their wives.
Only in stories. The two old ladies narrate such stories to their very, very small children. Old ladies, generally they are out of senses. And the small children, they have not got the sense at all.
No, by this revenge, you should use your sense.
I am like a ferocious lion to the entire world.
Yes.
Rama, after all, a man is like a deer. Should I be afraid of him? Rat, do you know? And the elephant, the biggest animal. The smallest one is rat. Is there any comparison between that rat and this elephant? Will there be any comparison between these Rakshasas and the common layman human beings? Never. Never. Cast aside your apprehension. I am not going to change my decision.
But, my dear,
Now better you go back to the bed and you take rest. Tomorrow by evening, I will return
with
with a beautiful damsel by name Sita. Be ready to
Right.
welcome her.
my lord, think twice. No, 10 Take care.
10 heads I have,
That is why.
and one more inside. 11 times I have thought. I have decided.
Take care. Take care.
I should think of a plan instead of openly challenging Rama. How? 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 If I play some gimmick, an act of deception, if I follow, in that case, Uncle Marita's help is needed. He is the biggest Mayami among our Rakshasas. But now he has left everything and taken a small hermit in midst the forest, in between the woods. I should go there and awaken him. So, to Marita's abode. Always, when I go to any dealer's house, I want to take the front door. That's why you come to the rear road. Right. Dear uncle, where are your holy feet? Kindly accept the humble salutations of your nephew Ravana. Please get up. Please get up. Oh, I need not touch your feet. No. Fine. No. Havaneshwara. What a surprise! You here at my ashram. Should I kept myself a distance from the active politicians, and I have retired, in fact, from the politics itself. How can you be so neutral, uncle? When in the entire country politics is very hot. But I am hot like I am old. We say in the future the cushion. What is it? Like that the politics is also. Yeah, but I am retired now. You should. I am residing at this deep forest, meditating all the time. So soon you should not retire. My dear uncle. What made you to come here? I have come with a purpose. Kindly listen to me. Tell me. Are you flattering me? revealing the facts. Really? Uncle Maricha, you are an elder advisor.
One time I was.
Even now,
Really?
not only for me, and to the entire Rakshasa fraternity.
But nobody comes nowadays to my side.
Generally, we need not come. Only whenever we have such emergency, severe problems, we go to our political gurus. So, to political gurus. Political gurus. Every political team has its own guru.
So you consider me as what now?
Our guru.
Your guru.
Because. Why? Because
Why?
you are unparalleled in your prowess, in your acumen. More than that, in your immense magical powers.
That is true.
What is your age now, uncle?
Maybe 60 or plus 3 or 4 years.
If the one who has attained 60, Vicar, if he sees you, he will not believe. Such a beautiful personality.
Are you flattering me?
Your personality is like the Cupid, the
I'm,
Lord.
I'm getting inflated. I may bust now.
You are, uncle, you are.
Really?
You are very much helpful for us. Your contribution to the growth and welfare of the Rakshasa community cannot be forgotten forever.
Are you serious or kidding me now?
Very much serious.
Really?
Because now again, the dignity of Rakshasas is at stake. Therefore, I have come here to seek your help, to save our dignity and honor.
Ravaneshwara!
Especially my honor, uncle.
Why you are beating around the bush?
My honor is not separate, your honor is not.
True, it is very much true. But why you are taking a circuitous route? Why you are beating around the bush? Come straight to the point. Why you have come here?
If you say so, it is very much convenient for me to continue.
Then please tell me. Let me listen.
I will come to the point directly. But wait, hey,
ರಾಘವನೆಂಬಾತನಿಗೆ ಓರ್ವಳು ಸದಿ
he has only one wife.
ನಾಗಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯ ತೆರದಿಯ ನಾಗಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯ ಪೋಲುವಳಂತೆ ರಾಘವನ ಸತಿ ನಾಗಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯ ಪೋಲುವಳಂತೆ ಹೋಗುವೆನ ತರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವೆನ ತರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೃಗವಾಗಿ ಏನಿ ನಲಿದಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೃಗವಾಗಿ ಏನಿ ನಲಿದಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಘವನೆಂಬಾತನಿಗೋರ್ವಳು ಸತಿ ನಾಗಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯಂತೆ ಹೋಲುವಳಂತೆ ಮಾವಾ
Dear uncle,
Ravaneshwara!
it is Raghava. Oh, who has insulted us? Really?
What has happened?
He is the son of King Dasharatha.
I know that.
Right now, he is in Janasthana. After all, a human being.
True.
How dare he is
What did he
to
do?
manhandle your niece Shirpanaka?
My niece.
Yes, your niece.
In fact, your sister.
My sister, no, that's why your niece. How dare he is?
Okay. All right. Then what happened?
Uncle, by defacing her, he has in fact cut the nose of Rakshasa sovereignty. Being our sole leader, Maricha uncle, would you accept it? never accept. I know that.
Think over the matter.
No,
Think over the matter.
I have thought. You did not think. I have thought. And I have decided
What?
to take revenge on Rama. Not by directly confronting him, then, but by deceiving him.
Deceiving him.
Yes.
How?
He has a charming wife.
Ah.
What happened?
Are you feeling breathing difficulty? What happened?
Sometimes, when I hear about beautiful girls,
Ah.
all of a sudden, I lose
You
my
get choked sometimes. Ah.
extremely beautiful like
Ah. Let her be. Let her be.
Nagakarnika.
Ah.
I am going to abduct her, uncle, and make her my wife.
Ah.
And here I need your help.
My help?
To succeed in my mission,
Ah.
you will have to transform yourself
Ah.
into a golden deer,
Golden deer.
beautiful golden deer, and rush into Panchavati. There, there,
Ah.
to attract Sita's attention,
Ah.
you will dance before her. She will try
At this age I have to dance.
that you will. You will. I will make you dance.
Huh.
Sita will try to capture you, but don't eat.
Huh.
Then she would ask her husband to catch you. Then you escape.
Story is very nice.
Rama will follow you.
Huh.
You escape, run and run and run. Take Rama away from the
So
husband.
I should be very vigilant then.
And
Huh.
using all your tactics,
Huh.
see that
Huh.
even Lakshman leaves the ashram. Then it will be a heyday for me. I will do my job.
Ravaneshwara!
How is it?
What a foolish and dangerous idea!
ರಾವಣ
I pity you! I pity you!
ರಾವಣ ನಿಬಲು ಸಾಕಸಿಯಯ್ಯ
I agree.
ನಿಬಲು ಸಾಕಸಿಯಯ್ಯ ರವಣ ನೀ ಬಲು ಸಾಗಸಿಯಯ್ಯ
How nicely you dance.
ದೇವರ್ಗಳ ದೇವನು ದೇವರ್ಗಳ ದೇವನು ಆ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ದೇವರ್ಗಳ ದೇವನು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಕೇವಲ ನರ ಜನ್ಮದಿ ಜನಿಸಿ ಬರಿ ಕೇವಲ ನರ ಜನ್ಮದಿ ಜನಿಸಿ ಬರಿ ಭೂಪನ ಜನಿ ತಿರುಗಾಡು ತಲಿಗರು ರಾವಣನಿ ಬರುಲಾಗದಿಯಯ್ಯ ದೇವರ್ಗಳ ದೇವನು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಆ, ರಾವಣ
Ravaneshwara!
Uncle Dev,
No doubt. You are well versed. And you are a real hero. You have struggled hard for the upliftment of Rakshasa community.
including you.
And I know I am in your shelter.
Yes. You have a great respect for me. Yeah, of course.
And look after me very well. I will be very grateful to you forever.
I do.
Since you are dear and near to me, I have to advise you in a correct way.
Advising me.
Yes.
What is it?
See, the idea of kidnapping Rama's wife Sita
Yes.
is not at all a good idea, my nephew. Because I know who is Rama. Yes, he cannot be wrong at any time. Perhaps my niece, your sister Shurpanakha, must have crossed her limits.
What?
And she is punished for that.
No, never.
I know Rama very well. It is because of his arrows I was thrown to this Lanka from the hermitage of Vishwamitra.
That is how you are here,
Yes,
near Gandhamadhana.
yes,
Mountain.
Rama is not a human. He is in the human form, that's all. To protect dharma and punish the wicked. In fact, he is the reincarnation of God of laws, God of gods, Mahavishnu himself. And his wife Sita is none other than Goddess Mahalakshmi. Therefore, kindly take my advice. Drop the idea of accepting Sita. And I tell you, you please go back to Lanka and live happily the rest of your life with your wealth, women, and whatnot. Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Uncle Marita, when have you started this new job of preaching others?
That's the age only has taught me how to
But I
preach.
have not attained that age.
So,
I am even more young now.
ಸಾಗರವ ಬಲೆನು ನಾನು ಸಾಗರವ ಬಲೆನು ನಾನು ನೀ ಏಕವನ ಕೊಂಡಾಡುವೆಯೋ ನಗಲುವೆ ಮೋಗದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದೈದುವೆಂತ
Dear uncle! No. Delete that dear.
then,
That is no more needed now.
then what?
Marita!
Singularly you are addressing.
I have not come here to listen to your advice.
Then for what?
I have come here to dictate you. If you heed to my words and do what I say, it is well and good for you.
Otherwise? Otherwise?
What is this?
Sword, Chandrahasa.
So simple.
Yeah.
It is great, Chandrahasa.
Yes, I know that. But it is to kill some of your enemies.
Not only enemies,
Then?
it doesn't recognize who is its enemy and who is its friend.
Huh?
Uncle Marita, I will cut off.
Stop! Don't go to that extent. If you are decided to kill me, then I have to say something.
ಹೋಗುವೇದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಹೋಗುವೇದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ತಿಂದು ಸಾಬುದರಿಂದ
Instead of lying with your hands,
ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ತಿಂದು ಸಾಬುದರಿಂದ ನರಕವೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯಬಹುದು ತನಗಿದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂದು ಸಾವುದರಿಂದ ನರಕವೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯಬಹುದು ತನಗಿಂದು ಹೋಗುವೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಆ, ಆ, ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಹೋಗುವೆ ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ
Ramaneshwara,
I am here and you are calling Rama.
he is the ultimate resort for me. You have decided to kill me.
But at least a temporary result.
If I don't heed your advice
Yes.
or your direction,
Yes.
you are going to kill me.
Yes, it won't distinguish.
I wanted to correct you. And I wanted to change you to change the idea of kidnapping Sita. And not to go and to see your own ruin and disastrous condition of Lanka. But you are adamant in your decision.
Yes.
Instead of dying at your hand with the Chandrahasa
Yes.
and simply losing the life, rather, I would proceed to the Janasthana. There, I would transform myself into a deer and then get taste of that his arrows, Ramachandra's arrows, and thereby attain salvation. Rama, I cannot live here. I cannot live there.
Only the Savior after abducting Sita. Whatever may happen to you, I don't bother.
Then
But
all
I
right.
see that my mission is completed. If you are alive, next year,
Then-
felicitation
then
is
has-
you.
As you wish. Now I proceed towards that side.
All the way.
Transforming myself into a fawn, a beautiful young deer.
All the way.
Rama.
ಮರದ ಸೌಜಯವನಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿಜೌ ಮೃಗವಾಗಿ ಪಂಚವಟಿಗೌ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಗಲ ಜಾನಕಿ ಕಂಡಗಲ ಜಾನಕಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನೊಳ್ ಆನಂದ ಸಾಗರದೋಳ್ ಓಲಾಡಿದಳು ಈಕ್ಷಿಸಿದಳು ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಜೀವಿಕೆಯ ಪೊಮ್ಮಿಗವ ಈಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಈಕ್ಷಿಸಿ tom dina tom tom di di tom dina di tari gada gadi di tari gada di tari gada gada tom dina tom dina tai dina tai dina tai dina ta dina tai dina ta tatin dina tai tatin dina tai tin dinam dai dai dinam tin dinam dai dai dinam dai dina dai dina dai dina ಜಾನಕಿ ಚೋರತ್ವಗಳು ಮಾಯದ ಕೃತಿಯೌದ ತಾಕಾಣದಿ ನಾರಿ ವಿಸ್ಮಿತೆಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಣದೆ ವಿಸ್ಮಿತೆಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಂತ ನಡೆಗವು ಬಂದು ಜಾನಕಿ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು
What a mesmerizing sight it was. Impressive. Very impressive. With no delay, I should inform this matter to my dear husband Sri Ramachandra. Therefore, let me proceed towards our heritage.
ಕಾಂತ ನಡೆಗವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಂತ ನಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಂತೆಲ್ಲದಳು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು
Salutation to you,
So happy today.
my lord. Prostrations to you. My lord, respectful pranams to you.
Sita,
My lord,
what has happened today?
happened. Excitement, my
Not
lord.
just once, not just twice, thrice.
Yes, 3 times.
And you look so enthusiastic.
Was it yes?
You want to have it more?
I am extremely happy, my lord.
What is the matter?
Matter? Can you look there? Look in that direction, my lord.
What is that?
ನೋಡಿದೆಯ
Did you look there,
ರಾಮ
my lord?
ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ರಾಮ ದೇವ ರಾಮ
That direction?
ಪತಿ ದೇವ ರಾಮ
My lord.
ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ರಾಮ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ಆ, 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 ರಾಮ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ರಾಮ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡಿನಿಂದ ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡಿನಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದೆಯ ರಾಮ ತನ್ನಂಗ ತಿನ್ನಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೋಮ ತನ್ನಂಗ ತಿನ್ನಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೋಮ ತನ್ನಂಗ ತಿನ್ನಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೋಮೆಂದು
behind this enjoyment
What is that?
and this excitement.
Why is this excitement?
My lord, can you see in that direction?
Yeah, I can see.
Straight in the direction of my finger.
In this direction now.
This direction.
Here.
Not my face.
Then,
The environment around us.
yeah, it has been there.
No,
Then,
it is not like usual. Can you see? A group of deers
yeah,
grazing
plenty
in
are
the
there.
forest. But there is one deer which is separate.
Yeah, I can understand.
Yes,
One deer is really separated today.
not this deer.
Then
My
what?
dear.
Huh?
There. Can you see there? it is moving this side, here. Behind that big tree. One beautiful and attracting deer
Ah,
wandering here and there.
quite active.
My lord, golden in color,
Hmm.
with blue horns,
Hmm.
with white lines on it.
Hmm.
Ears are like the leaves of blue lotus.
Hmm.
Face
Hmm.
with the color of red lotus.
Oh,
Look at its lips.
so quickly you have made all kinds of research.
Yes, they are like sapphire.
Hmm.
Its body is beautifully shaped
Oh.
with the sides like flowers.
Hmm.
And moreover, look at its tail. It is the rainbow colored tail.
Oh.
Whole body is silver spotted.
Hmm.
And it is the feast for everyone's eye.
Hmm.
My lord,
Hmm.
it is so beautiful,
That will be.
so elegant,
So what?
just looking like a wow.
Hmm.
My lord,
Hmm.
my lord.
Hmm.
And one more,
What is that?
it is also dancing to the rhythm.
It has been dancing. Today its dance is horrible.
No, it has been beautifully dancing. Tannanga, dinnanga, dikkidago.
Yeah. Sita, when that deer was dancing, I was of the apprehension that those ladies from Sargaloka have come down here.
My lord, now what is my request?
What is that?
What is my request?
What?
My lord, that deer which you are seeing, my lord, one of my desire.
What is that?
ಜಗದೀಕ ವೀರನೇ
Oh my sweetheart!
ಜಗದೀಕ ವೀರನೇ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೇಡುವೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೇಡುವೆ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಬೇಡುವೆಯ ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಜಗದ ಏಕವೀರನೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೇಡುವೆ ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯಗ ಜಗದೇಕ ವೀರನೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೇಡುವೆ ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕುಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕುಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೊಗದೊಳಿರುವೆನು ಸುಗುಣ ನಾಪಲ್ಲು ತೊಗದೊಳ್ ಇರುವೆನು ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ
Oh my lord! Oh my sweetheart! Oh the hero of entire three universe!
Today you are not just the dancer. You also have become a great poet.
No, sometimes
Huh?
it happens. It comes from here.
Deep from the heart.
Now, we have been in this forest
Hmm.
for a quite long time.
Ah.
You also know. But now, I have started feeling boredom, my lord.
For that this deer is there, no?
No, I want that deer so that it will be my companion.
Hmm.
By seeing and playing with it, I will reduce all my worries. Moreover, my lord, don't you love me?
Do you have any doubt in that?
And you also care for me.
Have been.
Yes, if that is so, please bring that deer to me before it runs away from our side. Please, my lord.
Sita, control yourself.
Why?
So far I have not remained unfulfilled your desires. I have fulfilled all your desires.
But I did not ask anything in particular, my lord.
Fine. Even if you have not asked Without your request, I have done everything.
Yes,
But now,
it is my request.
but I don't feel this is the one which has to be collected.
Why? What is wrong with that deer?
Will you listen to my words?
Your words?
Will you listen to my words?
Yes, please tell me.
Sita,
ಅರಸಿನಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡವೇ
Me?
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡವೇ ಅರಸಿನಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡವೇ ಸರಸದ ಮಿಗವಲ್ಲವು ಸರಸಿಯ ಬಗೆಯೇ ಸರಸದ ಮಿಗವಲ್ಲವು ಸರಸಿಯ ಬಗೆಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮರುಳು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಂದ
What?
ನಿನ್ನ ಮರುಳು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಂದ ಸುರುಳನ ಕಪಟ ಗಾಣೆ ಸರಸಿಯ ಬಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮರುಳು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಂದ ತುರುಳನ ಕಪಟ ಗಾಣೆ ಆ
Sita,
Yes, my lord. Please bring that deer quickly.
wait. I have something to tell.
Huh?
So, this is my request.
My request
Control yourself
for deer.
and be sensible. You just think.
Hmm.
Just think of your background.
My background.
Yes.
What has
You are the
happened?
daughter of Rajarshi Janaka.
Yes.
Not just that, the daughter-in-law of great Dasharatha
True.
and Rama's wife.
Yes. Blessed I am.
You have to be aware of all these things and think sensibly. So far, you have been very sensible, but at this moment, I feel you are lost.
Why, my lord? What is wrong?
Just see that deer.
So beautiful it is.
It is not just one deer. There are so many other kinds of deers, and they are all in groups.
I agree.
But how many of these kinds of deers are there in this area?
Only one.
Correct?
Unique one.
Only one.
Yes.
And also think one more thing.
One more.
Last 13 years we have been in this forest.
Agree.
Have you seen this kind of deer any time?
That is why I want that deer, my lord.
You have to think that when you have not seen this kind of deer for the last 13 years, all of a sudden that deer has come in front of you.
Because it is my luck.
Fine, I accept it. It may be out of your luck. But how come it is only one?
It has come to play with Sita.
As far as my experience goes, as far as my knowledge goes, in this entire world, no species can remain alone.
Might be.
And that too in this large area, only one individual representing a species
But
can
it
never
might have
happen.
lost its way, my lord. It might have lost its way. Searching for its co-mates.
Sita, that's why I'm repeatedly asking you to be sensible. I strongly feel that is not a real deer. I strongly feel it is the magic of demons.
Demons.
Yes, it is trying to create some kind of illusion in your mind.
Illusion.
Yeah.
In
It is
my mind.
It is trying to attract you. And finally, and one more thing you will always have to keep in mind.
What is that?
Beauty will always have some danger inside.
But my lord, what can that poor animal do? Look at it. It is so poor and innocent, grazing on its own. But if anything happens,
That's my
ಕಾಡಿನ ಮೃಗದಿರುವುದ ಕೇಡು ಬಂತಾದರು ಕಾಡಿನ ಮೃಗದಿರುವುದ ಕೆಡು ಬಂತಾದರು ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆನು ಬಂದುದ ನೋಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ಜೀವನಿಲ್ಲದು ನೋಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ಜೀವನಿಲ್ಲದು ಬೇಡಿ ಕೊಂಬೆನು ನಿನ್ನದು ಕಾಡಿನ ಮೃಗದಿಂದ ಕೇಳು ಬಂದಾದರು
My lord,
My queen,
are you trying to keep me quiet by your words?
why?
What can that poor deer do to us?
Hmm.
That is only an innocent animal here.
Hmm.
Moreover,
Hmm.
if anything happens,
Hmm.
Sita is here.
For
I
what?
will face it.
Huh?
Any consequences.
Uh,
Moreover,
hmm.
from the moment I saw that deer,
Hmm.
dear, I am not on my own.
Sita.
Therefore,
Hmm.
don't tell no. Please bring that deer.
Hmm.
I want that deer at any cost. And we shall bring to our hermitage.
Sita.
And as a pet,
Don't try to put any kind of pressure on me. I am very sorry. I will not bring it.
please, as a pet,
No. Never. I cannot bring and I will not bring.
you love me. Don't you have care for me? Please bring that deer.
Don't ask for all these things, Sita.
Please.
Don't be silly.
Only one unique desire.
Don't act
Only one
silly.
unique
Why
request.
are you acting so silly today?
I know you will not say no.
Hmm. Today I am very firm on my decision. I will not bring.
Please, I beg at your feet. Please bring that deer. I will look into all the consequences. I am responsible for all what will happen. Go, get it now, very urgently.
Wait. I am there. Fine.
But deer will go.
Don't worry. I will also run behind it. Sita.
My lord.
Fine. I will go behind it. I will try to collect it. I will try to catch it alive.
All right.
If
If
I fail in that exercise,
Hmm.
I may have to use my weapons. If I use my weapons, it will be killed or it will die. By then, what
My
will you
lord.
do with that dead animal?
my heart, if that so happen,
Hmm.
let it happen.
Hmm.
I will make a beautiful upper garment for my body out of his skin and you use it for myself. But I want it at any cost.
Fine, Sita.
Then my wish will be fulfilled.
Hope so. Take rest.
All right. I'll be eagerly waiting for that deer, my dear. Please bring that. All right.
Brother Lakshmana.
Brother dear,
Brother Lakshmana.
brother dear.
Have you heard Sita's desires?
Yes, brother.
She has been pressurizing me to bring that deer alive.
Yes.
So, I am handing over my responsibility of taking care of Sita. I will go now and bring that deer.
Brother, why? I am here.
ಅಗ್ರಜ ವೀರಯೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ
Thank
should you go for that? Instead, if you permit me, I will go and catch that deer with no time left. Lakshmana,
Brother.
I know what you are. I know your capacity. But being husband, it is my basic duty to fulfill the desire of a wife.
Yes.
Hence, you take care of this hermitage, also of Sita. I will come within a minute.
Okay, brother. All right.
ಒಮ್ಮಿಗವ ತರುವ ಬಗೆಗಾಗಿ ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಕಂಡನು ಜಾನಕಿಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಡಿಯಿಟ್ಟನು ಮುಗುದ ಕೇಳಿದೆನಯ್ಯ ಮೃಗಬಲ್ಲ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಅವರುಗಳು ರಾಮನ ಹೋಗೋ ಕೊಲ್ಲುವಲೇನೈ ಜಗದೇಕ ವೀರ ಕುಗುವ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳುವುದು ಮಿಗುವರಿಗಿದು ಗಾರ್ಯ ಕಪಟ ಸೌಮಿತ್ರ
Lakshmana, did you hear your brother's voice? Yes. Rush towards him for his help. I am sure this is my husband's voice. And he is in some great danger. He is in distress. He is surely surrounded by Rakshasas and he cries for help. Lakshmana, don't tarry here. Rush towards him and help him.
Not the voice of my brother.
ರಾಮನ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲ ಜಾನಕಿನಿ ಕೇಳು ಇದು ರಾಮನ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲ ಜಾನಕಿ ಕೇಳು ಯಮಿನಿ ಜನರವ ಸನಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಸದಿ ಉಡುಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲದೆ ಬರಿದೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ ಭೀಮನ ತನುಜರು ಕೊಲ್ಲುವುದುಂಟೆ ರಾಮನ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲ ಜಾನಕಿನಿ ಕೇಳು
Rush towards him, Lakshmana.
Mother, I'm confident. What we heard is not the voice of my brother. I have explained about the tricks of Rakshasas in this forest. The voice which we have heard is the voice of Rakshasas in the forest. They are in distress. So, I'm confident that this is the voice not of my brother, mother. I'm confident about it.
Lakshmana,
Mother.
am I not familiar with my husband's voice?
Yes, you are familiar, mother.
I am telling you to go there and help him. But you're still standing here.
ಮಾಲಗಲಿನ ಭವಾವೇನಯ್ಯ ಶಿಲಾನಾಮನು ತಾನಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎನ್ನ ಆಳುವೆನೆಂಬ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಶೆಯಿಂದ ಅಲಚ್ಯದಿಂದ ನೀ ಕುಳಿದೆ ಇದು ನಿಶ್ಚಯ.
Lakshmana,
Mother.
I have been requesting you a number of times
Yes.
to go there and help my brother, help your brother
Yes.
from the clutches of the demon. But you still stand here. I can guess your intention
What, mother?
for not going there and helping him. After my Rama's death from those demons, after his death, are you trying to rule over me and be my
No,
wife?
mother.
You wicked and selfish.
No. Rama. No.
ಕಾಮಿನಿಯ ಕಠಿಣತನ ವಾಕ್ಯವೂ ಕೇಳ್ದು
Mother, Rama.
Go away, go away.
No.
ಕಾಮಿನಿಯ ಕಠಿಣತರ ವಾಕ್ಯವೂ ಕೇಳ್ದು
Rama.
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ
Rama.
ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಎದ್ದು ಕಿವಿಗಳ ಎರಡೂ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ
Rama.
ಭೂಮಿಯೊಳಗೀಳಾಣೆಯೂ ಬರೆದಿರ ಮೀರಿ ಅಡಿಯಿಡದಿರೆಂದು ಉಸಿರಿ
Rama.
ಭೂಮಿಯೊಳಗೀಳಾಣೆಯೂ ಬರೆದು ಇದರ ಮೀರಿ ಅಡಿಯಿಡದಿರು ಇದರ ಮೀರಿ ಅಡಿ ಇಡದಿರು ಕಠಿಣತರ ವಾಕ್ಯವೂ ಕೇಳ್ದು ರಾಮ
Rama.
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ
Rama. What am I hearing from the mouth of Sita Mata? She said that after the death of Rama, she is going to be my wife. Is that even possible? I have seen her as my mother from the beginning. No. I should obey the commands of Sri Rama. But she left with no choice at all. Okay, mother, I'll obey your commands. But I have one request before I obey. Request? Yes, mother. Mother Sita,
Lakshmana,
this is the line in front of the cottage I have driven. You must never cross this, and I have drawn this to protect you. This is the line of the name of Sun God, Moon God, Earth God, Indra Deva, Varuna Deva, Vayu Deva, and Agni Deva. At any circumstances, you must never cross this line.
all right. You go and help your brother.
Okay, mother. Take care of yourself now.
ಕಾವಿವಸನದ ಕೈಯ ಪಸರ ಓಂ 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 ಕಾವಿವಸನದ ಕೈಯ ಪಸರ ಆ ಕೈಯ ಜಪಸನ ಕೈಯ ಜಪಸನ ಕೋವಿ ದಂಡ ಕಮಂಡಲಗಳ ದಂಡ ಕಮಂಡಲ ರಾವಣನು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ವೇಷವ ರಾವಣನು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ವೇಷವ ತಾಳುದ ಬಂದು ಕವಿವದನದ ಕೈಯ ಜಪದರ
Could anyone recognize me? Could anyone guess who I am? What? Mendicant. Mendicant? But really I am not. I am Ravaneshwara, transformed into a ascetic. I know all the 8 types of magical prowess. Yes, this is the right time. Yes, I should approach Sita. Yes, yes. This is the hermitage of Sita. I guess Sita is alone here. I should go near the door. Something wrong there. I will try from this side. Surprising. I tried many times to pass that point, but I am pushed by an invincible hand, nay power. I guess some supernatural power is protecting Sita. What could I do? Yes, I should change my plan. What to do? I wear saffron clothes. Oh, by begging alms, I will approach Sita. What? Where is my begging bowl? Oh, I kept near the river for washing.
ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ನೀಡೆ ದೇವಿ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ನೀಡೆ ದೇವಿ
alms. Oh, Devi, give me alms. I have not taken food for the last 3 days. I am very much hungry. Please give something to eat. I hope you will satisfy hunger. Yes, you will satisfy hunger. I hope that. Please give something. But it's strange. In this big forest, you, woman, alone. Who are you? Who are you? Before giving alms, you please introduce yourself. Baby.
ಆಮದಿಜವು ನಿಮಗಾವರಾಜ್ಯವು ಗಮ ಆಮದಿಜವು ನಿಮಗಾವರಾಜ್ಯವು ಗಮ ಈ ವಿಪಿನಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬಳಿರುವೆ ಏಕಮ್ಮ ಈ ವಿಪಿನದು ಒಬ್ಬರಿರುವರೆ ಗಮ್ಮ
Big forest.
ಆ
Before giving alms, you please let me know who are you? What is the reason for you here alone? Are you from Swargaloka or Kinnara? Or you belong to this forest fraternity itself? Kindly let me know and give me alms. I'm very much hungry.
ಲೇಸಾಯಿದಯ್ಯ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿದವ ಚರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಸಿರ ಶರಣೆಂಬೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಸರಟ್ಟಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾದ ದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ
I am pleased.
ಯೇಸು ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಫಲವೇನು
O sage, I prostrate unto your feet. I am pleased by your darshan. I am Sita, wife of Sri Ramachandra, Prince of Ayodhya, who is the eldest son of King Dasharatha. Sri Ramachandra, his brother Lakshmana, and myself Sita. We are here in this hermitage. One beautiful deer was wandering here and there.
Here?
Yes. To bring that deer, they followed it. Yes, sage.
Let it be that. Please give me.
ನೆವನ ಗೆಳುವ ಜಾತಕಿ
Why you are giving excuses?
ನೆವನ ಗೆಳುವ ಜಾತಕಿ ನಾದೇಹಿ ಎಂದರೆ ನಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾದೇಹಿ ಎಂದರೆ ನಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದೇ
Is it proper on your part?
ಶಿವನಾಣೆ ನಾ 3 ದಿನದೊಳೊಂದು ಶಿವನಾಣೆ ನಾ 3 ದಿನದೊಳೊಂದು ಆಹಾರವ ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಆಹಾರವ ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಸಿದು ಬಂದಿಗೇನು
I am very much hungry.
ನೆವನ ಗೆಳುವ ಜಾತಕಿ ಜಯಿಯಲ್ದನೆ ನಾಸಿಯನ ಬಹುದೆ ನೆವನ ಗೆಳುವ ಜಾತಕಿ ಯಾತಗೆ ನೆವನ ಗೆಳುವ ಜಾತಗೆ
O sage,
Why you are giving
I know you are hungry.
excuses?
I know, but
I swear.
please wait till they come. We have not cooked any food now. It is not ready.
You are giving excuses.
No.
Devi, I am not telling lie. I swear in the name of Lord of Kailas, Lord Nandaneshwara, that I have taken no food for a long time. Therefore, give me something to eat and save my life. Baby, don't you know? Hungry man is an angry man. I may curse you. I may curse you. I am very much angry. I am very much angry.
Osage, let me bring you. Let me give you the arms. Please accept. Come here and accept it.
Come forward, baby. Come forward.
Osage, please come inside and accept my arms.
No, no. I am very much respect over woman. It is not proper on my part to come nearer to you when you are alone. Therefore, please come. Please come forward.
Osage,
And give me arms.
please listen to me. Though I have intention of giving you the arms, I cannot come.
Why? Why? We are sages.
No.
Then?
I am restricted from trespassing this boundary
Why?
line, which is meant for my protection. So please come inside and accept my arms.
For protection. For protections. That is protection from the Rakshasas. In the case of sages, we are the protector. We are protector. Therefore, no more hesitation. Come forward and give me food and save this life.
ಏನು ಬಂದರು ಬರಲಿ ಏನೋ ತಲಾಜ್ಞೆಯ ದಾಂಟುತ
Oh Lord, please save me.
ಏನು ಬಂದರು ಬರಲಿ ಏನೋ ತಲಾಜ್ಞೆಯ ದಾಂಟುತ
I can't wait.
ಅವನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಡೆತಂ
Very much. No food in this forest.
ಅವನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಡೆತಂ
One more step. Please come.
ಅವನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಡೆತಂದು
Increasing. Please come. I can't live. I will die in any moment. Please come forward. Please. One more step. One more step. One more step. Now see who I am.
ದಾನವನು ತನಗೆ ಇವಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಳೆಂದೆನುದನ ನಿಜಂಬೆಯ ರಥದಿ ಕುಳ್ಳಿರುವುದ ನಿಜಂಬೆಯ ರಥದಿ ತಾ ಕುಳ್ಳಿರುವುದ
Leave me.
Under my magical spell.
Leave me.
Go.
You cheated.
Come with me.
You liar.
Get into the aerial vehicle.
Please,
Come with me.
don't come near it.
Get into the Pushpaka Vimana.
Don't come near it.
Come with me.
No. Please. Don't come near it. Where are you? Please, save me.
should weave a conspiracy. Oh, bird!
ಸತ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮ ವರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು
matter to my dear husband, Lord Sri Ramachandra. Here you. This is the moon. Let Rama protect you. Let Rama protect you. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri
Enough of this nonsense. We have no time. Let us proceed towards the Lanka.
Rama.
Lakshman, why are you here? I have ordered you to be in the hermitage to look after Sita. But how come you are here? Why have you come?
Brother, hear me out.
ಕರಳದಿಯು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ರಾಮ ಸಗೀತ ಪದಿಕೆ ಕಮಲ ನೇತ್ರ ಮೃಗವ ಬೆಪ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮುದ ಮೇಲ ನೊಡನೆ ಮಗ ಜನಗದುದೆ ಅಸುರನ ಹುಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ದು ರಾಮ ಸಗೀತ ಪದಿಗೆ
Brother dear, I have never disobeyed your honor so far.
But why are you here?
Brother, I have a reason for that.
What is that?
When we were at cottage,
Ah,
we heard the sound of you screaming, "Oh Lakshmana, oh Sita." So, Mother Sita Mata ordered me to come here. That's the reason why I'm here, brother.
Lakshmana,
Brother.
now I understood. I have already killed that demon
Huh?
who has come in the form of that deer.
Hmm.
No. Oh, this is the magic of demons. No. Now we have to rush to the hermitage. Come on. Sita!
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಳು ಸೀತೆ ಎನ್ನಯ ಮೋಗನೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಳು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೌದಿಯ ಕಾಣದೆ ಎನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲದು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣ ರಂಗನಾಥ
Lakshmana!
Brother dear,
I am not able to find Sita. Sita is nowhere. Whenever I used to return to the hermitage, she used to come with all enthusiasm to welcome me.
Yes.
But today, Sita is not seen. Lakshmana, Lord Ranganatha, please show me my Sita. Where is my Sita? Where is my Sita?
brother,
I am foreseeing some danger. We cannot be here. We have to go searching for Sita. Come on. Lakshmana,
brother.
we have come a long way from hermitage.
Yes.
Everywhere we have asked for Sita.
Yes.
Trees, animals, water, stone. Everywhere
ನಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸಕನರುಣ ತನುಜ ಈತ ನಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸಕನರುಣ ತನುಜ ಸಂಪಾತಿಗನುಜ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪಾತಿಗನುಜ
Following the chant of Sri Rama, we have come here. Look at that. Look at that. A huge-sized bird. Yes. Is chanting my name. When I closely observe it, I could recognize it. He is none other than Jatayu, my father's closest friend, and son of Aruna, the charioteer of Lord Sun. And also, he has an elder brother, Sampati. Something must have happened. Come on, come on, come on. Jatayu, what has happened? What has happened? Tell me.
ಪಾಲಯಗಾರ ಗೋವೀರ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮುಲೋಕದೊಡೆಯನ ಕೀಳು ಬಿಂದಪವ ಕುಳರಮಣ ಕತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಜನಗೀಯ ಕುಳರಮಣ ಕತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಜನಗೀಯ ಮೇಲು ಬರಲಿ ಹೋಗ ವೇಳೆಯೋ ಗಾನುಗ ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ
Oh my lord, Sri Ramachandra,
What happened to you? Tell me.
the king of Lanka, wicked Ravana.
Ravana? What he has done?
He came in his aircraft Pushpaka and kidnapped Sita and took her away in his Pushpaka Viman.
Is it?
By hearing Sita Mata's voice, seeking for help to protect her, I went in that direction
Then?
and confronted Ravana.
Oh.
By his
Finally?
cunningness, I lost my wings. I was about to die. At that time, Sita Mata blessed me with a boon
How?
that I shall be alive till I meet you, and I convey the message to you. My lord, Sri Ramachandra, please give me salvation. Sri Rama, Jai Ram, Jai Ram.
ಸುರಪುರಗೆ ಐತಿದ ಖಗಪತಿಯೇ
Jatayu!
ವರಪಿತಗೆ ಸಮನೆವುದು ತಿಳಿದು ಪಿತಗೆ ಸಮನೆವುದು ತಿಳಿದು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ವಿರಚಿಸಿ
We should do all rituals.
ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಭ್ರಮೆಗೊಂಡವು ಸುರಪುರಗೆ ಐತಿರಾಯ
Jatayu sacrificed his life for Sri Ram. Yes. Jatayu sacrificed his to uphold the chastity of a woman of this universe. In this way, Jatayu has become a role model for all the people in this world. I had never expected this. That's why you can never know the fate of anybody in this world. Lakshmana, we have a huge responsibility on our shoulders. Jatayu is the closest friend of my father. As you know, we did not have any opportunity to render any rituals to our father Dasharatha. And this Jatayu is the son of Aruna, who is a charioteer of Lord Sun. And we belong to the Surya Vamsha. Hence, we have to render all kinds of rituals to this Jatayu, so that our father Dasharatha will bless us being in the heaven. Oh. Definitely Jatayu will get the salvation. Jatayu will get moksha. But before finishing off his life, he has disclosed one important matter. My Sita has been kidnapped by Ravana, and he is from Lanka. Now, there is one more huge responsibility on our shoulder, to go up to Lanka and attack all the Lanka and kill all the demons and get our Sita back. Till then, there is no question of taking rest. Hence, let's move ahead. Move towards Lanka. Kalaya tasmain namah. Kalaya tasmain namah. Bhadram Shubham Mangalam.
ಭೂಸುರರೊಲಿದು ಮಂತ್ರಾಕ್ಷತೆಯಿಂದ ಸೇದೆಯ ತಳಿದುಗಿರಿ ಮುರನಿಂದ ಮಾಸನಿ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಪಡೆಯಲು ವೇಷಗೆ ಅರದಿಯ ತಿರೈ